lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking
Kingsley, Joshua is eating. Kingsley is almost done.
But I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. No, no, you're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking.
If you fight, I'm going to off it. I'll off the television while I I said it. Go and sit down. I'm looking for this music. You sit down, give her volume. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys how I'm not going to show you guys the crib, so because the video is getting too long. So guys, this is our house. This is the place we are staying. Yeah, it's not too beautiful, it's not beautiful, it's not too beautiful, but guys, I have to share it with you. I have to show you guys because I know we live in Italy. This is the kind of house we are living. So yes, I will wash clothes. So this is the place my husband saw his clothes one after the other. So this is our parlor and the kitchen, and that place is our room. That is Kingsley's bed. That bed you are seeing there is Kingsley's bed, and this one is guitar. So that is it. Our bedroom is outside. So that is it. This is the place we are staying. Yeah. by the special grace of God, we'll see a good house. Okay, so that is it. We are looking for a house. So nothing else to show you guys. We'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm washing the dishes. I can see my Joshua clothes. I'm washing it. Okay.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through.
Every time cry, baby.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Look at my food is ready. I'm going to eat. Okay, this is my juice and my water. So I'm going to eat. Okay, see you guys later.